Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster border city. Today we're checking out this beautiful brand new 2020 Ford Escape Titanium with a 401A package. The exterior color is star white metallic, and under the hood we have a 2-liter EcoBoost engine with start-stop technology paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. At the front we have LED daytime running lights as well as high and low beam headlights. We also have a pair of fog lamps, front-facing park sensors, and an engine block heater connection. Over at the side, we have our 19-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in Bridgestone tires. We also have color-matched mirror caps and door handles. At the rear, we have privacy-tinted windows, and up top we have a beautiful twin-panel moonroof. This Ford Escape also comes with remote start. At the rear, we have a trailer tow package, and underneath we have our spare fifth wheel, as well as reverse sensors paired to a backup camera. We have a power liftgate with hands-free foot activation, and at the rear window, we have an embedded defroster with a wiper blade attached. At the interior, we have loads of driver-friendly features, including tons of door storage, as well as power locks, memory seating for the driver, power windows, and power adjustable mirrors with blind spot information system. Over at the steering column, we have our automatic headlamp dial, as well as our liftgate button. We have a tilt steering wheel with our adaptive cruise control settings and entertainment controls located to the left. Over at the right, we have our information trackpad and hands-free controls. Up above, we have our auto-dimming rearview mirror with the cabin lights that provide ambient lighting. We also have 3 garage door opener controls and our beautiful twin-panel moonroof. And as we look down at our interior, we have our beautiful black leather seating that comes with a fully adjustable seat with lumbar support. And as we look ahead, you'll see we have our Sync 3 8-inch touchscreen display, which allows for audio control, phone connectivity, navigation, as well as other apps, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Our driver can also view the display of the rear view camera. Down below, we have our sync controls, as well as we have our dual climate control area, which includes air conditioning and heating for the entire cabin. Driver and passenger can also enjoy heated seats, and our driver can enjoy a heated steering wheel. We have a turn-dial gear shift with select shift option for the driver, dual cup holders with ambient lighting underneath, and a center console that provides tons of storage. At the rear, passengers can also enjoy door storage, as well as power windows, and our 60/40 bench seat leaves tons of headspace and loads of legroom for 3 passengers to enjoy. If there are any more questions about this beautiful Ford Escape, please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. I'd also like to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.